In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much does Adobe Sign cost. By the end, you'll know which plan fits your needs and what you can do for free. Here's the key idea. Adobe Acrobat Sign, Adobe's e-signature tool, is usually included inside Adobe Acrobat subscriptions. That means the price you pay depends on the Acrobat plan you choose and whether you're an individual or part of a team. If you're a solo user, there are two common options. Acrobat Standard for individuals is about $12.99 per month. It's great if you need basic PDF tools like viewing, commenting, simple edits, and the ability to send documents for e-signatures. If you need more power, Acrobat Pro for individuals is about $19.99 per month. This adds advanced editing, enhanced PDF creation and conversion, and the same built-in e-signature capability, making it the better pick for complex document work. For small businesses, team plans unlock collaboration and centralized management. Acrobat Standard for Teams runs about $14.99 per user per month, and Acrobat Pro for Teams is about $23.99 per user per month. These plans are designed for shared workflows, easier user management, and smoother coordination when multiple people prepare and send documents for signature. Larger organizations that need advanced controls, deeper integrations, or more sophisticated workflows typically look at Acrobat Sign solutions for business and enterprise. Expect roughly $22.99 to $59.99 per user per month, depending on the features you select. This tier is about scale, governance, and connecting e-signatures with the systems your company already uses. Across these plans, you typically get unlimited signature requests and document signing, but the exact features and admin tools vary by level. A quick rule of thumb for monthly cost. Personal use lands around $13 to $20, small businesses around $15 to $24 per user, and enterprises from $40 to $60 or more per user, depending on configuration. There are also free options if you only need to sign your own files. You can sign documents for free using Acrobat Reader or Adobe's online tools. Just keep in mind that sending documents to others for signature usually requires a paid subscription. A helpful tip before you buy: if you already have Acrobat Pro, you likely already have the basic Adobe Sign features included, so check your subscription first. And remember, pricing can vary by region, billing cycle, and promotions, so always confirm the current rate on Adobe's site before you decide.